Welcome to the 12-week AI Engineering and Intelligent Systems certification from School of AI. This program is designed for anyone who wants to move from basic understanding to real practical AI building. Over the next 12 weeks, you will not just hear about artificial intelligence, you will build with it, experiment with it, and learn how AI systems are created from the ground up. My name is Vivin Rana, founder and instructor at School of AI. As an AI architect and educator, with over 2.2 million learners worldwide, my mission is to make high quality AI education practical, accessible, and career focused. School of AI exists to help people build real skills, not just collect certificates. That is why this certification is free for members. We want more builders, professionals, and future AI leaders to gain hands on experience through projects, labs, and real world practice. Over the 12 weeks, this certification will guide you through a complete AI learning journey. We start with the foundations, artificial intelligence, computing basics, data, algorithms, and Python. From there, we move into data handling, data pipelines, machine learning, and model evaluation. You will learn how to clean data, build models, measure performance, and understand how AI systems make predictions. Then we go deeper into advanced machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. You will build projects like neural networks, text classifiers, image classifiers, and intelligent applications. In the later weeks, we focus on modern AI, large language models, prompt engineering, LLM applications, AI agents, automation, and deployment. Finally, we bring everything together with production AI, governance, ethics, and a capstone project. By the end, you will have completed multiple practical labs and built a portfolio ready AI system. So, why should you join this certification? Now, because AI is changing every industry, every job role, and every career path, the people who will benefit most are not just the people who know AI terminology, they are the people who can actually build, test, explain, and deploy AI systems. This certification is different because it is not based on a final test or a multiple choice exam. Instead, it is based on real project completion. You will build projects, document your work, submit your GitHub repository, and demonstrate what you created to the School of AI team. That means your certification is backed by evidence of practical work. You will finish with hands on experience, a project portfolio, GitHub submissions, and the confidence to build real AI applications. Whether your goal is a better job, a freelance career, a startup idea, or simply future proofing your skills, this certification gives you a strong foundation. Build projects, submit GitHub, earn certification.